Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another entry for you today, and this is coming from Patricia Johnson. Guys, this is bigger than a memory dex, okay? You guys, look at this box. It's huge. Look at the flowers she put on top of it for me. So I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna get everything out of the box and then we'll get into it. Okay guys, so this is entry number 22 and this is Patricia Johnson. Look at this box. Oh my god. You guys, I just opened number 21, who is Maria, who is Scrapbook Nut, and this is Patricia Johnson. The two of them together have blown me away. Like, are you kidding? Okay, let me read this note. Look at this. Look at all of that. Gorgeous. Guys, I'm back. I did not take anything out yet, but I did want to read this letter to you. It's so hilarious. Okay. Dear Eileen, happy birthday. I got carried away. I was so excited I forgot to include this note in the birthday card box. I realized it after I packed the box. I did not want to unpack the box and repack, so I put it on top. Just FYI. Your box of goodies includes 1 cube card happy birthday card made with Mermaid Dreams 12x12 paper pad from Hobby Lobby. The cube card is supposed to fit in a medium envelope, but mine did not because I added flowers to the top of the small cubes, so I made a box for it. After I completed the project, I realized one had gold accents and the other silver. Oh my gosh. 1 Memory Dex card made with Mermaid Dreams page kit from Hobby Lobby. My first large shaker, and I got carried away with the sequins, and my first time sewing on paper. Yay! Oh my gosh, that's awesome, Patricia. And then 1 explosion box with a mini birthday cake made with Hershey nuggets and kisses. You have to destroy the cake to get to the candy. Oh no! And last, I included some other gifts, including 2 mermaid themed water cups to stay hydrated and to share with your daughter Christian. Enjoy. Best wishes, Patricia. P.S. I hope everything arrived intact. Girl, it came all intact because nothing in this box shifted, okay? So this is what's only on the top of her box, guys. Oh my god, really? All you had to send was the Memory Dex card. Okay, I'm opening it as I pull it out. Look. Oh, this never came to my Dollar Tree, guys. Oh my gosh, Patricia, thank you. This is a prayer box. I just got so much goosebumps. Did you guys see my arms? Oh my god. Look at this beauty right here. This is a prayer box and it says, "Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord." Psalm 31:24. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you, Patricia. Thank you, thank you. Everything seems to be intact, Patricia. Looky. What is it? Oh my goodness, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh my gosh, don't tell me. Look at all this purple vapor. Oh my gosh. Look at this tail. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Thank you, Patricia. It made it here in one piece. No damage. Oh, look at that. I did not see these in my Dollar Tree. Be bold and courageous. And this one's make your dreams happen. Oh my gosh. Girl. Oh my god. Look at my tail. I have one. This is perfect. I love using these little trinket trays for when I'm crafting and putting like ephemera on stuff like that and like that. Do you know what I mean? Like stuff like that. Oh, thank you, hon. This is awesome. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Oh, look at her purple tulle. I love this. Of course, you know what's going to happen with this one. I'm going to keep it to myself. Look at that birthday cake. That's cute confetti. So this is her beautiful birthday card box that she was saying. So I'm going to save this really quick. I have the pink and I think it's the white or some color, but I didn't get purple, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful paper. Oh, that was all glitter. Oh, this is her pop-up birthday card. Look at that. Even got confetti in here too, guys. I'm gonna keep it. Look at this card. Isn't it neat? Oh, how do I open this? Okay, so it says handcrafted just for you by Crafty Patricia Johnson. Says September 2020. Yes, girl. Look at these gorgeous balloons. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. 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 Look at this birthday card. Okay, hold on, hold on. Oh, this one says mermaid in the back. So you think it's done, right? And then it's a transformer. More than meets the eye. It just says happy birthday, wishing you happiness. This special day will bring. Oh, look at the inside. She even layered the inside of the card, guys. Look at this. You see all that? This is beautiful. Oh, Patricia, thank you. Look at her flowers. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. The balloons have a bow, and the bow has a sequin center. And then all the bubbles, the water dewdrops. I keep wanting to say water drops. How did you do that? That is crazy. Oh my god, look at the balloons, guys. The balloons. That is so cute. And the back says mermaid. See that? Oh, Patricia, thank you so much. Beautiful, beautiful, babe. Oh my goodness. What's the next? Whoops. Stay, baby. Stay. Stay, Betsy. So these are the cups. Oh, mermaid down water bottle. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Patricia. What? Thank you so much. This is gorgeous. You guys. Oh my gosh. Just guessing I have to. Oh, look at that. For twins, for mommy and me. So Christian and myself, we can have the same cup. So she when she comes to visit me again, Patricia, I will give that to her. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get the stuff off of it. Oh my god. What did you do? What is this? What's this? What's this? I can't believe my eyes. What's this? Oh my god. This woman, she went all out and spoilt me. Oh. You are going on my nightstand right beside my bed. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Patricia. Oh my god, I'm amazed they all made it in one piece. And then, you guys, this is in the box. Can you see this glorious tail right here? Oh my god. Thank you, Patricia. There's one more thing I want to show you before I open the next one. Can you see this? I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree. I've never seen this. And then, oh no. Oh no. We got one fatality. Just one. There we go. So this is her explosion box, you guys. It's exploding. It's busting at the seams, but look at how beautiful this is. And she has handmade just for you by Crafty Patricia Johnson. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh my. You guys. Oh my gosh, it's a real cake. Is this a real cake? Okay, it says celebrate you. Happy birthday, Eileen. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. Beautiful, beautiful. That is a beautiful box, Patricia. I love this idea. Look at her cake. Are you kidding me? I'm not cutting this open. Oh, she has a note. Cake has 6 Hershey Nuggets and 12 Hershey Kisses, all milk chocolate. And then her little sticker. There, you can see her sticker better right there. Isn't that gorgeous? I am not busting this open. Are you cray cray? You're cray cray. Can I just leave the chocolates in there? What do you think? Should I just leave it? Oh my God. I need to get to the, oh my God. Let me see what's the last. Okay, this is the last thing in the box. Let's see if we can make it. Can we make it on time? I'm keeping it. I'm not gonna bust that thing. You're crazy. Cray cray. Okay, here we go. Look at her lovely box. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? You guys, you're gonna want to see this. Ta-da! Look! This is her first time making a shaker, memory decks, sewing, stitching everything. She stitched the tail that comes with the page kit. She added the bling to this beautiful tail, and it's a shaker. The star. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It says something, starfish kisses, something. And then the gorgeous little seahorse. Oh my gosh. All her little pretty flowers. This is beautiful. There's a rosette back here. This beautiful, beautiful bow. And she made a dingle dangle for me. She made a dingle dangle for me. Look at the mermaid. Oh, this is gorgeous, Patricia. Oh my God. And then on the back, she has her info, her little sticker right here. I'm so happy you put your sticker, girl. It says, I'd rather be a mermaid. Yes, yes, yes. Let's open it up so we can see her info. And it just says Patricia F. Johnson, and her date of birth is April 17th. Her favorite colors are purple, pink, and black. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Crafting style is like shabby chic, but always craft with my heart. Sometimes simple or heavy-handed with sequins. Yes, girl, I see you. Favorite candy, chocolate plain or with almonds. Yes, I prefer the almonds. Favorite drink is coffee. Yes. Hot chocolate. Yes. Unsweet iced tea. No, girl, I can't do that. I got to do the sweet. And then her IG is Patricia5305 Johnson. No YouTube, but she is a awesome supporter of our channel. Beautiful with her little envelope. I love this paper. Okay, guys, I see her. She cut this twice, and then she just used it on the end. She double-sided the pocket. But isn't that gorgeous with all that purple and gold? And this gorgeous mermaid. Look at this. This thing, okay, Gina, you're gonna have to take a step back on the height, because I think Patricia has officially won the height limit. This is what I love, guys. There's no telling what you all will come up with, but this has just been an amazing entry after entry. You all just keep blowing me away. I think that is it, loves. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you all on the next video. Go check Patricia out on Instagram. Bye.